Want to know how much TikTok actually pays per view? In this video, I will break it down. TikTok pays creators through TikTok Creator Fund, but the amount per view isn't fixed. On average, creators earn about $0.02 to $0.04 per 1,000 views. That means if your video gets 1 million views, you could make around $20 to $40. Payments depend on a few things: your country, your engagement, likes, comments, shares, and whether views come from active accounts. TikTok also adjusts payouts based on how much money is in the creator fund that month. So while getting views is important, engagement and consistency are key to earning more. Creators boost their income with brand deals, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing alongside TikTok earning. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.